Guess what, y'all? Okay, yay. Hey y'all, so today's video is gonna be pretty quick, but it was so unexpected. I was so excited. So you know how like randomly you get entered in a contest and you don't think anything of it, you get tagged in a like a little post on Instagram or something. If you follow this page, if you tag 3 people, tell me what you would do with the prize, kind of thing. I was tagged by Acorn Leaf. Her and I met a few Carolina Renaissance festivals ago, and I don't know, she like just tagged me and I was like, okay, cool. So I tagged more people, and I was having like such a hard day, a particular day a few weeks ago, I think a week or so ago, and they were like, out of nowhere I get like a message from the actual business. Hey, you're the winner, so happy to let you know that, congratulations, what's your address, things like that. And I was like, wait, what? I never win anything. This the box. Okay, so I'm going to open the box now. The company is called the Fairy Forest, by the way. So freaking cool. That's like right up my alley, by the way. Yay, okay. So here's the box. I see the Fairy Forest Coloring Book, Volume 2. Ooh, oh my god, bookmarks. Okay, I like, these are cool. This is what we got here. Oh my god. Okay, so we do have a business card. I'm gonna try to zoom in to show you the business card. There we go. I'm still trying to figure out the whole zoom thing, but okay, yay, there we go. Here's the business card. Front. Oh, so cute. This is the back. Oh my god, so cute. I'm excited. I didn't really expect this. Is this a sticker? This is a sticker. It's gonna go on my laptop. All my stickers are on my laptop. I love that. Mushrooms. Mariah, thank you so much for entering the giveaway and congrats on winning. I hope you love all your goodies, Megan. Such adorable penmanship, by the way. Oh, you're such a sweetie. I'm gonna keep this too because like I'm very sentimental like that. That's so sweet. These I'm definitely using. These are bookmarks. I'm currently reading a horror book that I started a while ago, but for some reason I started over with reading it because I didn't finish it. So I'm definitely gonna use this, one of these, for that. Cute freaking bookmarks. Look at the detailing of the cute mushroom. Oh! Okay, check out that detailing. So cute. Love it. Here's the second one. Ah, everything's falling. It's a green top. Freaking love it. And here's the third one. Red top. Aw, so cute. I'm excited. Here is the Fairy Forest Coloring Book Volume 2. I'm so excited about this because it's also going to help me with my anxiety and depression coloring actually takes me back to like my childhood, because that's 9 times out of 10 what I used to be doing as a kid. Here's, oh, can you see that? Yes. Here's some pictures, just like a quick flip through. Tree houses, so cute. I can't wait. I'm gonna have to get some bigger markers. I do have like the small, like this size Sharpies. I collect these. I've been collecting these over the years for a while and replacing them whenever they like dry out or they're not usable anymore, but I'm gonna have to get bigger ones because I know that small point won't be able to like fill in a lot of it. I'm gonna go probably to like Michael's. I'm so excited. This is so cool. Okay. There are 2 more things. Oh hell, I'm excited. Okay. I didn't expect to win anything. This is so cool. I've never won anything, and this is like the most perfect entry that I've ever had. Wow, this is so cool. I'm gonna frame this. I think it might be a print, but she did sign it. Oh gosh, can you see that? Yeah, she did sign it on the back, and here's the print. So cool. That's cool. Okay, I did save this for last, even though this was like the first thing that I did see. This is the last thing. So cute. Oh, so cute. Oh, oh. This is so... I'm gonna put this in my kitchen because this is my style. It has like the most professional execution I've ever seen in person. I'm never around well-made, handmade, with care type items because like I just feel like everything is so mass-produced, and sometimes just like authenticity and like well executed. Look at the acorn tops. Oh, this is like really breathtaking. Holy, like, can I get out of the frame real quick? Like, look at the amount of detail. This looks like a bowl of soup with the acorn, like, okay, with the crystals, honey. That is so freaking cute. This was so well executed. I'm gonna post all of the information for the shop, the Etsy, the Instagram, and I'm gonna check and see if they have any more, if she has any more links to her websites and stuff. But goodness gracious, this is like very overwhelmingly like beautiful. The mushrooms, the crystals, the books, it has literally everything that I treasure and desire in life. Like, I don't know what else to say. Yo, the foundation looking straight today. Okay, that was like, I'm gonna put that here for the time being. Oh my god. Okay, so I was thinking about doing an altar tour for my next video. You guys let me know what you think. I greatly, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate the fairy forest for literally sending these amazing, beautiful things. I have so many things. Hello? Call you back in about 30 to 45 minutes, okay? Okay. So first and foremost, like I said before, I want to thank the fairy forest for sending these amazing treats. I think the fact that it was so unexpected was like what really got me to the point of like sheer shock right now. Acorn, thanks for tagging me, but I would not have even seen it or acknowledged like the post if it wasn't for you tagging me. So I really appreciate that. I just think that's so awesome. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Please check out the shop. They have an Etsy shop online. These things are awesome. They also have more contests. I've been seeing posts, especially another post that was after this one. So it's another contest. I will try to put all of that information down below. Thanks again for watching. This was so unexpected, but I really appreciate it. I am going to turn my camera off now and my light because we are supposed to be getting the remnants of a hurricane today. My grandmother told me yesterday, and then today it's like just been raining, which is great for my plants and flowers. Also, I will be doing a plant, like, I don't know, like a green witch garden update kind of deal, just to kind of let you guys know what's been going on in the garden. But yeah, I really appreciate y'all for watching. This is so cool. Bye y'all.